My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser notifications coming from the website Ukndaspiratioty.xyz. It's a website that does not make any sense at all, considering its name. And the website is also extremely malicious. It tries to infect your browser with the feature of permanent web push notifications. It tells you to click on the Allow button to confirm that you are not a robot, and also the website is able to switch your browser into the full screen mode. Because of that, the computer may be infected, especially if you mistakenly click on the Allow button, as the pop-up says. Clicking on the Allow button immediately results in a lot of ads that will be displayed in the right bottom part of your screen. And also you may be forwarded to some other junk sites that may damage the system essentially. So if you have clicked on Allow, you need to implement certain fixes of your browser right away. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Find this malicious site and remove it from the list. I also recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download this software, install the application, and start checking your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.